Did you know that over 6,000 Tibetan monasteries, the heart of our culture, our libraries, and our sacred history, were destroyed after China occupied Tibet? Larungar was founded in 1980 by Khenpo Jigme Phuntsok, a highly respected Lama of the Nyingma tradition. He built it in a quiet valley near Seda, in the Tibetan region of Kham. His goal was simple: to create a place where monks, nuns, and lay people could study Buddhism together. In 1987, the 10th Panchen Lama visited Larungar. He officially recognized it and gave it the name Seda Larung Wuming Buddhist Institute. This was an important moment of legitimacy. During the 1990s and early 2000s, Larungar grew rapidly, becoming one of the largest Buddhist academies in the world, with an estimated 20,000 to 40,000 practitioners. People came from all across Tibet, Bhutol, India, China, and even from abroad. But in 2001, everything changed. Chinese authorities began the first major demolition, claiming there were too many residents and that the homes were illegal structures. Thousands of houses were destroyed, and many monks and nuns were expelled. Then, between 2016 and 2019, a second wave of destruction took place under Xi Jinping's tightened control of religion. Between 4,000 and 6,000 residents were forcibly expelled from their homes, entire lives uprooted overnight. The monastery was turned into a surveillance zone, with watchtowers and Communist Party outposts built directly inside its sacred grounds. In the 2020s, restrictions only increased. Military forces were deployed, local Tibetans faced strict movement controls, and in 2025 reports confirmed that over 1,000 monks and nuns were expelled once again. Today, visiting Larungar has become nearly impossible. Foreigners are frequently denied entry, and even Tibetans face strict checkpoints, constant surveillance, and heavy restrictions.